Hey there, gut health warriors. Are you tired of feeling bloated and dealing with those pesky stomach issues? Are you attempting every available treatment in an effort to stop the continual wave of discomfort, but coming up empty-handed and defeated? Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a holistic health secret that just might possibly change your life. The fascinating world of healing leaky gut naturally. Yes, you heard me right. In this incredible journey to a healthier gut, we're unlocking the potential of sauerkraut and discovering some mouth-watering probiotic-packed vegan recipes that will leave you feeling fabulous from the inside out. By the end of this video, you'll have not just one, but 7 amazing recipes to add to your gut healing arsenal. Welcome to Do Remedy, Do Cure, where you can subscribe for excellent tips for improving your general health and well-being. Please know that all information that we share here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not meant to be a substitute for medical advice. Consult with a healthcare professional regarding all matters concerning your health. Are you ready to join me on this adventure, fellow gut health enthusiast? Say goodbye to those bothersome tummy troubles and let's embrace a new chapter of delicious healing together. Each recipe we'll be exploring today is carefully crafted to boost your gut health while tickling your taste buds. From refreshing smoothies to hearty bowls of goodness, we've got a little something for everyone. So get ready to unlock the magic of sauerkraut and dive into these 7 probiotic-packed vegan recipes. I can't wait to share these culinary secrets with you. So make sure to keep watching all the way through. Now let's just dive into this fascinating world of leaky gut and demystify what it's all about. Increased intestinal absorbency, aka leaky gut, is a state where the lining of the intestines become more sponge-like than they should be. Consider your gut lining to be a protective barrier that keeps hazardous substances out while allowing nutrients from meals to be absorbed into the blood. However, if this barrier is breached, a variety of health problems and digestive pain may result. Think of your intestines as having teeny doorways that regulate what enters and exits. These gates begin to open when you have leaky gut, enabling germs, poisons, and partially digested food to enter the bloodstream. The immunological reaction that results from this might cause irritation all over the body. Now let's discuss some typical leaky stomach warning signs. Your body may be trying to tell you something if you've been suffering from a lot of gas, exhaustion, or unusual bloating, even after a restful night's sleep. Additionally, food sensitivities may appear out of nowhere, leaving you perplexed as to why specific meals are making you feel sick. These are all potential indicators that your digestive system needs some sensitive, loving care. But don't worry, defenders of gut health. Let's put our attention on naturally mending our gut rather than relying on short-term treatments that might just provide passing relief. By embracing nutritious, gut-friendly meals, good health may be encouraged. Our bodies have amazing restorative capabilities. And guess who is the anonymous star of this gut healing adventure? That's right, sauerkraut. We can introduce a potent source of probiotics that can aid in gut balance restoration by including sauerkraut in our diets. These helpful bacteria work continuously to lessen inflammation, aid digestion, and fortify our gut barrier. Now, we'll explore the fascinating realm of natural healing using sauerkraut and some delicious vegan recipes. We can start by nourishing our bodies and adopting a healthier, happier existence, since the core of our holistic well-being is the health of our gut. Are you excited? I know I am. So stick around, because these 7 probiotic-packed vegan recipes are going to blow your taste buds away while giving your gut the love and care it deserves. The gut healing power of sauerkraut. Let's examine sauerkraut, our gut's new best buddy, in more detail. This unassuming side dish is a true powerhouse for gut health, not just a sour topping for hot dogs. As a food that has undergone fermentation, sauerkraut changes magically as it sits on the shelf. Probiotics, the favorable bacteria, flourishes and grows throughout this process, producing a natural source of gut-friendly goodness. These probiotics are essential for the health of our digestive systems. They support the overall health of our intestines by assisting in the maintenance of a balanced gut flora, which controls dangerous germs. Additionally, they strengthen and improve our immune system's capability to fight off diseases while working collectively with it. However, there's still more. Not only is sauerkraut a probiotic champion, but it's also a nutrient-dense dynamo. Your body will adore the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals found inside of this jar. Sauerkraut provides a healthy dosage of nutrients that can strengthen bones, boost the immune system, and improve skin brightness. It also contains vitamin C and K, as well as some B vitamins. The antioxidants protect the body from irritation and combat free radicals like little warriors. Now that we're well versed in the wonders of sauerkraut, it's time to jump into the kitchen and start creating some delectable gut healing recipes together. Are you ready for a flavor blast? With these 7 amazing probiotic vegan recipes, be ready to delight your taste buds and nurture your digestive system. They're not only filled with gut-friendly nutrition, but their flavor will also make you want more. Here's a variety of dishes that will delight both your stomach and your taste buds, from hydrating smoothies to filling Buddha bowls. So let's get started and learn about our first delicious creation, the Probiotic Power Smoothie. The Probiotic Power Smoothie is the ultimate in intestinal health. This smoothie is a definite game changer for your gut health. Add a handful of spinach for added nutrients, a banana for creaminess, a dash of your nut milk of choice, and of course our superstar sauerkraut together in a blender. The sauerkraut not only gives us a probiotic boost, but the spinach also has fiber and vitamins that are good for the digestive system. Additionally, the banana lends a hint of subtle sweetness that gives this smoothie a treat-like flavor. This smoothie is now ready to rehydrate and invigorate your gut. Drink it in and experience the goodness and healing power firsthand. Zesty Sauerkraut Wrap. The Zesty Sauerkraut Wrap is the next item on the menu. Each bite is bursting with flavor. This wrap isn't your typical sandwich. It was made with probiotics and other nutritious nutrients to support the health of your digestive system. Spread hummus on your favorite wrap of choice, spinach or tomato basil for variety. Then layer the sauerkraut and vegetables on top and fold it all together. The creamy hummus and the crisp vegetables go wonderfully with the sour, spicy bite that sauerkraut adds. Take a hearty bite after you finish wrapping it up and enjoy the variety of flavors and textures. In addition to being healthy for your digestive system, this wrap is a filling and healthy lunch that will keep you nourished and active. Gut Healing Buddha Bowl. Let's talk about the colorful and nourishing Gut Healing Buddha Bowl. It's like a probiotic party in your mouth with this Buddha Bowl. Each bite is a symphony of tastes and sensations with the sauerkraut and fermented vegetables amplifying the gut-friendly goodness to the hilt. Add your base layer of brown, white, or cauliflower rice to a bowl. Then add raw or cooked vegetables of your choice and chickpeas. Finally top with sauerkraut and dressing. While the nutrient-dense components of this bowl offer a plethora of vitamins and minerals for overall wellness, the variety of probiotics it contains supports a healthy gut microbiota. It strikes the ideal mix between flavor and nutrients. This intense healing Buddha bowl is a celebration of nourishing your intestines in addition to pleasing your taste buds. Probiotic Pizza Party. Who says pizza can't be gut-friendly and healthy? Let's discuss how you can indulge in this traditional comfort food guilt-free with our Probiotic Pizza Party. The crust is the key to this stomach-friendly pizza. You can use a cauliflower or chickpea flour crust, which is gluten-free and easy on your digestive system, in place of the traditional refined flour. Top with mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, eggplant, and sauerkraut. When you take a bite, the explosion of flavors will astound you. A rainbow of nutrients is offered by this assortment of veggies, while the sauerkraut adds a pleasant tang. So let's tuck in and enjoy this probiotic pizza party guilt-free, knowing that with every delicious slice, we're nourishing our bodies and supporting intestinal health. Fermented fruit salad. It's time to add some sweetness with our probiotic-rich and reviving take on our traditional favorite, fermented fruit salad. In the world of gut health, fermented fruits are a secret treasure. This salad is the ideal way to satiate your sweet desire while nourishing your gut because they offer a special blend of inherently sweet flavor and bacteria that's good for the gut. Mix melons, berries, or any fruits of your choice into a bowl with Greek yogurt. Sweeten to taste. You can be confident that you're treating your gut right whether you eat this fermented fruit salad for breakfast or as a nutritious dessert. Sauerkraut Stuffed Avocado. Next we have the Sauerkraut Stuffed Avocado, a creamy and crispy treat that is sure to win your heart. Sauerkraut, welcome to avocado. Your taste senses will enjoy the delightful texture contrast produced by the creamy avocado and the acidic sauerkraut. It's as easy as adding a few spoonfuls of sauerkraut to a halved avocado. Add salt and pepper to taste. This recipe is a delicious way to enjoy healthy fats and a plethora of nutrients from both the avocado and the sauerkraut, in addition to being a delight that helps your gut. A quick and simple appetizer or snack, this sauerkraut stuffed avocado will fill you up and make your stomach smile. Probiotic Ice Pops. Finally, let's chill off and treat ourselves to some probiotic ice pops, a tasty and refreshing method to consume probiotics. In addition to being kid-friendly, these ice pops are ideal for adults who want to beat the heat while promoting intestinal health. Add a cup of fresh or frozen fruit of choice to 1 cup of kombucha. and sweeten to taste. Then add to popsicle molds and freeze. You can make these colorful and healthy sweets that will make you feel like a kid again with just a few basic ingredients. So enjoy every bite with the knowledge that you're treating your stomach to the most energizing treatment conceivable. You now have access to our 7 probiotic vegan options that can significantly improve your gut health. Remember that eating good, nourishing food that supports our bodies from the inside out can be the key to naturally repairing leaky gut. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more holistic health tips. Remember, a healthy gut means a happier you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.